Let's imagine a client orders something from a supplier. The client may be the end consumer, a retailer, or another supplier ordering a component for their product. In order to handle the delivery of this item, the supplier has to send it through their supply chain. This may consist of many different agents, different modes of transport, and different storage facilities. Each of these stages creates a set of data about the item and how it was handled. And each of these data items is stored in a different repository. Some are in databases, some are in spreadsheets, and quite often it's just paper. Each of these records needs to be integrated correctly by the supplier and stored in a common data store before they can make sense of the end-to-end journey of the shipment. If each of these stages is trusted, the data they produce can be trusted, and it can be integrated into a trustworthy store. However, we must remember that the supply chain is a system of people. And if one of those people makes a mistake, is dishonest, or has a different agenda, they can submit incorrect data, which makes its way back to the manufacturer and, when it's consolidated with a full set of data, ends up corrupting it. Our approach solves these problems. The UCOT solution places a small IoT device into each of the packages being shipped that provides real-time reports of any of the aspects of the package that the manufacturer considers important to quality, such as the integrity of the packaging. Let's have another look at how that delivery goes. The physical delivery from supplier to customer still goes via the various routes it did before. None of that has changed. But now our parcel has an active IoT device within it. As the package containing the device makes its way through the supply chain, the IoT device regularly reports back the status of the package since the last report. This includes important attributes such as whether it's been tampered with and its current location. This information is stored within the blockchain to ensure the provenance of this information remains intact. The supplier can also set forth business rules that define what a well-shipped product should look like. Constraints such as minimum temperature, maximum temperature, making sure it hasn't been dropped, and that the package hasn't been tampered with, for example. When the client receives the goods, they can use the UCOT client app, which checks the data held in the blockchain against the manufacturer's rules for good shipment. If the data shows the shipped item stayed within the rules at all time, then the shipment is good. If it doesn't, they can refuse the delivery.